Welcome to my channel. I'm Style by UC. This is the cutting and sewing part of the drafting video I uploaded on my channel. If you have not watched the drafting part of the video, please go to my channel and watch the video so you can understand the sewing part of this video. So I've cut out my pattern and I've already added the necessary allowance that I needed for my stitching, and I've gone ahead to add extra inches to my length because I don't want my gown to be short. So I will remove my pins. This is the back. Starting with the back, I will remove all the pins. Then I will join these three pieces together, carefully removing my pins. So I will show you how you will join it. This is the center back, just this way to the front. Also join the two pieces together this way. I will move over to my machine and join it, and I'll come back and show you. So I'm done joining the front piece together. This is one part of the front. This is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like, and this is the back part. I'm sorry guys for my camera. I'll keep improving every day with time. So this is me after I've joined both the front and the back together, and I'm going ahead to iron my seam open. This is what the inside look like. This is what the second part look like. As you can see, I've iron it down, and this is what my back look like. Then the back part of my dress, as you can see, and this is what the inside look like. As you can see, the inside, this is what the inside. I've ironed it also. So now I will cut out my facing. I will use the facing to turn my neckline. I don't want to use lining for this dress. I just want to use facing to turn the neckline. So at this point, I have to locate the midpoint so I can cut out my facing. Also note that the front part, there is nothing like padding. I didn't pad it. I just join it like that. I'll cut my facing off camera, then I'll come back and show you. So I'm done cutting the facing. This is what the facing looks like. One side of the front. This is the facing. Also to the second part. This is also the facing. And the back. This is the facing for the back. I'll move over to my machine now and turn it and come back and show you. So this is me after I've done sewing my facing, and I've gone ahead to iron it down. As you can see, this is the back. See how neat it is. Also the front part. That is the work of facing. Instead of bias, I prefer facing. also to the second part. So I'll go over to my machine now. I will join these pieces together, but before I do that, I want to measure the down part of this gown, so I'll be able to cut out the material for my bust pleating. For the measurements I use for my bust pleating, I use almost 3 yards of material, except the center front, which I cut out 8 inches from the 3 yards. So guys, now I will join my shoulder together, then I will do same to the side, join it by the side, and I will do the bust pleat, and I will come over and show you. This is the outcome of the bust pleat. As you can see what it looks like. Guys, you have to arrange your bust pleats carefully while doing this. Please, if you like what I do, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you get notified. See you in my next video.